what's up guys? Today we're taking our adventure underwater. We're gonna do a little scuba diving. Hopefully nobody dies. Oh, I'm roasting in this suit right now, but it's gonna be chilly since the water temp's about 54 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's gonna get a little frosty.
Our past dives included swimming in the warm, clear waters of the tropics. This experience was very different. Braving the cold waters and navigating through the kelp forest made this dive one we wouldn't forget. We had been warned that diving in kelp forest can be dangerous and entanglement is something to be very cautious of. This, and the low visibility, made sticking to the buddy system even more critical than normal.
Did you see that otter? Otter? You missed it? Not otter.
All right, we're out of the water. Body temperature is returning to normal. It's a little cold here, but it's pretty cool. It was different than
insensitive to the cold.
Damn.
Noelle lost a flipper. I lost the GoPro. And 2 weights. That cost me $5. Me and Noelle both lost Mattson. Thought maybe he died. So all in all, I think it's just good that we're all alive and together and on to the next adventure. Tune in to ETA next time for another epic trip adventure. We're here at Big Sur in California. We're gonna be driving the coast today.